Tired of opening your browser every time to access Google Sheet? What if I told you there is a way to add Google Sheet to your desktop for quick and easy access? Let me show you how in just a few easy steps. Let's go. The easiest way to access Google Sheet from your desktop is by creating a shortcut. For that, open Google Sheet in your browser, click the three dot in menu in Chrome at the top right. Click Save and Share, select Create Shortcut. Rename it and click Create. Now you will see a Google Sheet icon on your desktop. Double click it anytime to open Sheets instantly. Want Google Sheets to act like a real app? Here's how. For that, open Google Sheet in Chrome, click the three dot menu, click Save and Share, click Install Google Sheet. Now Google Sheet will open in a separate window like a regular desktop app. And that's it. Now you can open Google Sheet from your desktop in just one click. So if this felt helpful, like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.